జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. దట్ ఈజ్ వై క్షిప్రం విసృజ వైదేహీం. రావణ, కమాన్, లీవ్ సీతమ్మ హియర్, డు నాట్ టచ్ హర్. హో రావణ, డు యు నో రామాస్ విజన్ ఈజ్ లైక్ ఏ dreadful blazing fire. You would definitely be killed and burnt in that ice vision if you continue doing what you are now doing. Oh Ravana, you are holding Sitamma is like what you know, sarpam asi visham badhva vastrante nava buddhyase. It is like holding such a dreadful, very poisonous snake. That much dangerous holding Sitamma also. Oh Ravana, while holding Sitamma, it is like you are inviting your death close and close. Ravana, you should not be doing any work in your life which is beyond your capacity. తదన్నమపి భోక్తవ్యం జీర్యతే యత్ అనామయం. How much ever you digest, that much only you have to eat. Ravana, you should be doing any work that brings you merits, that brings you fame. That kind of work you should be doing. You should not be doing any work that is inviting a death or pain or suffering or trouble to you. But what you are doing is definitely bringing death to you. That is why Ravana, come on, leave Sitamma. Oh Ravana, now I am 60,000 years old man right now in front of you standing. But you are very young. Ravana, not only that, you are holding all of your weapons and you are in the chariot. I don't have any weapons with me. I don't have chariot also. Maybe you are thinking that because I don't have any of those things, I can't do anything. I can't stop you. No. While I am standing here, you cannot take Sitamma and you cannot escape from me. Kusali nagamishyasi. You cannot be safe at all. And also, Ravana, once you fall in my vision, that's all. You have no other option. You cannot escape from me. Oh Ravana, if you think that you are great soldier, yadi surosi, come on, fight with me. As and how Kara was killed by Rama, now you are going to be killed by me. Like that, Jatayu is now warning Ravanasura in order to protect Sitamma. Jatayu saying to Ravanasura, saying that, oh Ravana, Sri Ramachandra Swami soon going to kill you in the war. Oh Ravana, you are the cruel one. You may be thinking that Rama and Lakshmana is very far from you now. And also you may be having the fear that anytime they come and appear in front of you, with that fear itself is going to kill you, Ravana. Oh Ravana, Sitam Kamalapatrakshim, the one who has divine beautiful lotus-like eyes, Sitamma. Ramasya Mahishim Priyam, the one who is the most beloved spouse of Sri Ramachandra Swami, Sitamma. Until I am alive here, Nahime Jivamanasya. You cannot naishyasi subham imam. You cannot take Sitamma from here at all. Oh Ravana, even if it is about to leave, give up my own life, I would not hesitate to do that. But I would not let you take Sitamma away from here. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.